time. We're having a great adventure. Here we go. Here we go. We're the backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers. Oh, backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers. Oh, we're brave and strong as we march on and on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our journey is planned. We're off for the day together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over and under, nothing can stop our adventure. Here we go. Here we go. We're the backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers. Oh, backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers. Oh, we're brave and strong as we march on and on. Here we go. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, marching in time. 1, 2, 3, 4, marching in line. We're the backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers. Oh, backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers. Oh, we're brave and strong as we march on and backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers, backyard adventurers.
Hello everyone, I am Mark.
Hi, I'm Beth, and they call me Mary.
Today, we're going to the park to have a picnic. Do you want to come with us? Let's go! Hop on, guys!
Great!
Let's go!
Are we there yet? Driving to the park is taking forever.
I know. Let's sing the driving song. It will help time to go quickly.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Driving to the park today, what have you seen and heard along the way? You first, Bless.
That is a bird. I heard it chirping. Tweet, 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 tweet. Nice one, Bless.
One more time. Driving to the park today, what have you seen and heard along the way? Your turn, Mary.
Oh, that tree. Wait, let me pick some apple from the tree.
Put.
Oh, what are those? Those are some apples. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 apples. Look, guys, I've got us some apples.
Wow.
One for you. Thanks, Mary. One for you.
Thank you, Mary.
And one for me.
Wow.
Let's
thank
eat
you.
these later.
Yes.
Okay, let's put it on my plate.
Let's go.
Mark, are we near?
Almost there.
Oh, let's sing again.
All right.
Okay.
Driving to the park today, what have you seen and heard along the way? There's a store. Let me buy some fruit.
Okay.
Hi, Elle. How are you?
Hi, I'm good.
Great. This is a corn. Guys, do you want some corns? Great. 1, 2, 3. Can I buy this?
Yes,
How much?
for only 20 pesos.
Great. Thank you, Elle.
Thanks, Mark.
Bye.
He's here.
Look, guys, I bought us some corns.
Put it here.
Yeah.
Yay!
Let's go. Let's sing again. Driving to the park today, we've seen a lot of things along the way. And we're here! Yay!
Finally! Let's have some picnic!
Yes!
Pag-3 pataas, mag-bonakit preschool. 3 plus pag-3 pataas, mag-bonakit preschool. 3 plus.
Kaya moms, mag-3 pataas na sila. Bigyan sila ng Bonakid Preschool 3 Plus for a triple boost advantage in growth, energy, and immunity.
Pag-3 pataas, mag-bonakit preschool. 3 plus, batang may laban. Oh, hi there. This is my friend Chloe. Hi everyone, I am Chloe. Chloe, are you ready to walk in the jungle with me? Of course, I'm always ready. Come on! Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Chloe, what are these? Those are cats. Whoa! We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Chloe, what is this big creature? That is a pig. A pig? We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Chloe, what is that? That is a little tiny mouse. A little tiny mouse? We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. We're not afraid, we're not afraid.
Hand washing is a first line of defense against germs.
Can I join? Sure. Oh no, what is this? Let's wash our hands. Let's go! Mom, look, our hands are dirty.
What happened? That's a lot of bacteria. Wash your hands and use safeguard.
No more bacteria.
Use Safeguard.
I will jump and hide from you. I will chase you round and round.
Skip in time, play peekaboo. Ready or not, you're found.
I will chase you here and there. I will chase you everywhere.
Inside, outside, up and down. Catch me if you can. Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again. Hide your eyes and count to 10. Ready or not, I'm gonna find you again and again and again and again.
says move on the spot. Don't let Simon see you stop.
Simon says, move faster now. If he sees you stop, you're out. Find your eyes and count to 10.